क्वेश्चन
But
क्या बोला?
freshers
मैंने
are
लिटरली क्वेश्चन गलत पढ़ा है क्या?
मेरे को
मैंने
नहीं,
बोला
नहीं,
था क्वेश्चन, द क्वेश्चन इज
दिव्य इसके लिए तेरे से आराम से 1 हफ्ते का टाइम लेगा.
Hi guys, welcome back to the 15-minute thing. So this is a very special episode. We have guests. Say hi.
Hi
Hi.
guys.
Hi
Hi.
guys.
तो if you remember, मैंने एक एपिसोड में बोला था कॉलेज लाइफ वाले के अंदर that I joined some team जिसके अंदर I got to know a lot about the practical world and all the business world. So I have my seniors from that team, Rishikesh Bhaiya and Sana Didi. So this is a special episode जिसके अंदर we will be talking and discussing with them about their college life क्योंकि अभी ये लोग पास आउट हो रहे हैं. थोड़ा पास आउट हो रहे हैं लेकिन times are tough.
This is an unexpected pass out.
Yeah, exactly.
Not the
No
pass
one
out that we
expected
expected.
this, right? Yeah.
Not the pass that we wanted actually.
Exactly. अभी तो farewell भी सब कुछ you never know. कभी ना कभी तो होगी. कभी ना कभी तो होगी.
That would be a reunion.
Yeah.
That would not be a farewell. That would be a reunion.
Okay. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. So, are you guys ready?
Yeah, sure.
So, let's start with the questions. Divit,
Yeah.
go
So,
first.
like briefly describe your last 3 years of college. Who'll go first?
Ladies first.
Okay, Sana Didi, you go first.
Ladies first.
Okay. My experience as college was something more than I think words could express. I remember when I had first come to the college, I was very scared. I was very nervous. Being an introvert, I was very nervous. So, but still, I let things flow. I let things go in flow, and then now that I've passed out, I think I realized that it was the right platform to discover myself, who I am as a woman, who I am today. So it has made me a person with with confidence, and I know that I had the right platform to explore my opportunities, and I think that it it gave me a lead on to discover the best out of myself. So yeah.
Yeah. Rishikesh Bhaiya, your turn now.
So for my college life, so mine was a late admission. So everyone else started their college on 4th of July. I started my college on 20th of July. So
Okay.
mine was a late admission, and so I even as Sanais, I am also an introvert. So I was not that good at making friends, and so initial and first day, 1,000 almost 500 600 students, and that also that you completely changed from what from being a school student, going to school in uniforms, being on time, to completely different
Going
thing.
to college in uniform as well.
Yeah.
After a
So
while, I started thinking that the college is our school. Please, huh?
School.
We had to wear uniforms to the college also.
so it was a very different thing. And then first day of college I made around 4 friends, and the joke in this is that the 4 of them we are not friends anymore. So that's
Oh my
the
Okay.
yeah. So
Okay, so
that's
that
that.
is one thing जो कि सबको मतलब you never know कि first year में जो तुम्हारे friends है what is going to happen in the next 3 years. It is all
Oh,
you cannot predict anything, right?
Is that
yeah,
directed
Yeah,
towards
so
me?
yeah, and
you never
and
know.
yeah,
You never know.
yeah, and
Oh,
and yeah, and of course, and then after that in the second year I joined CITP placement C team. So that was where got to know some very really good seniors, who helped me in who mentored me throughout that second year. That helped me a lot to develop and grow to what I am now currently. And in second and third year I got some good friends, and one of them is sitting right there. Yeah, so in all to all, my college life was pretty good. It had its ups and
Pretty much
downs, and
ups and downs. Yeah.
but mostly it was fun.
and what all things should you refrain yourself with?
I think Rishikesh, you can start now. We can go alternatively.
So yeah, basically the freshers that are coming in. So basically, you know, don't come with a lot of expectations. Thinking that the student of the year type, that is not gonna happen. that is not gonna happen. You come in a Ferrari, then roll it around, and सीधा आके सारे लड़कियां सब, that's not gonna happen. ये सब कुछ नहीं होने वाला. That's just a Karan Johar universe that we are not aware of. Yeah, and basically, if you're coming to college, you should spend it. You should not spend it. You should actually enjoy it. You should have give equal importance to your studies as well as for co-curricular activities, and join clubs. Basically, have good societies and clubs. Be part of them, but not be part of every other society that you have. Say you have 5 to 6 societies in your college, so don't be a part of everything. Be part where you think you can get some get some experience for the future, and enjoy these 3 years. And enjoy these 3 years where you can get experience, you can shape your career. That's it.
All right. Sana Didi, your turn.
See, in my opinion, that after passing out after 3 years of college, now I realize that had I known a few things prior, I would have done things a little differently. Like had somebody told me, like after 3 years of college, I can give you this advice that there's a balance you need to keep between chilling and studying. Like I suggest the new freshers to have loads and loads of fun, because I can guarantee you these 3 years are not coming back. They are not coming back. See, so have loads and loads of fun, go to parties, hang out with your friends, go see movies, do it. But always in a limit, because there is a need for you to keep your studies also balanced. And that's how life also works. You need to keep a balance between your everything, every aspect of your life. So a balance between parties, chilling out, and also your studies. And also I would like to suggest to meet loads of people. Like as a fresher, when you come into the college first, तुम नहीं किसी से बात करते because they're like, oh my god, वो क्या सोचेंगे? They're very self-conscious. But I think having passed out from that situation, I can suggest you that they're as hesitant, they're as scared as you yourself are.
Yeah.
So go talk to them, be very chill, be friends with them, got to know, मतलब बहुत सारे लोगों को मिलो, and have a chance to know them, how different lives are, and also read lots of books, because I can guarantee you this time you're not getting back. You won't have time in the future. तुम job करोगे, you'll go for higher studies. You won't have time to read books. So this is the best time to read books. So I think these are the suggestions I'd like to give to a fresher.
So yeah,
basically,
basically, college is a place which can either destroy you or it can shape you.
That's
to sum it up.
And also one important thing. One more important thing, जो कि मुझे सिना दीदी की बात से लगा कि your network is your net worth, right?
Yeah.
So exactly. अच्छा, एक और क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूँ, just a random question, ये हमने तैयार भी नहीं किया था. So how कितना peer pressure मिलता है कॉलेज में to do things that हाँ.
I think this is a significant thing that nobody talks about in the in the surroundings. There is a thing, because there will be certain things where you'll be pressured to do things which you don't want to do.
Yeah.
ऐसा भी there will be situations जब कोई तुम्हें बोलेगा भी नहीं कि you have to do this thing, या फिर तुम ऐसा कर लो, कोई आके बोलेगा नहीं, but you'll feel yourself pressured to do such things.
Yeah.
Just to कि अगर if you feel like you need, if you need to stand out, इसलिए तुम्हें ये करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, exactly.
There is no such need for that.
See, because in college,
always be what you are. Never change who you are. Never forget who you are actually.
That's a very genuine advice.
Yeah, because in college you have, say, if you have good amount of network in college, so everyone will come, there will be different types of peer pressure to do everything. You go out with your friends, they'll say do this, do that. You'll be under a lot of pressure to do, but it's you that who has to keep the willpower, and refrain from doing such things, because you first of all that it is not good, and it shouldn't be done. So that's the best thing, that you have to keep your willpower irrespective of the fact that it's your best friend, it's your friend, whoever it is. Coming under doing things under peer pressure is the worst thing, because whatever thing you're doing, you should be doing it with a calm mind and not under any type of pressure.
Yeah. So guys, जो लोग देख रहे हैं, ultimately see these people have passed out of college. If these people can beat peer pressure, so can you. So Divit,
ये मतलब
next
ठीक है,
question.
इतने भी महान नहीं है, but okay. We have survived college. We're still alive.
Alive and kicking.
What is one fun story that you'd always remember, or a moment that you'll always cherish? Yeah.
Who's gonna go first?
No, Sana, you will go first.
See, I don't have any particular fun story that I'll remember, but it's like I have a bunch of funny moments, we can say.
Yeah.
Like even after, like earlier this morning, I was looking through my gallery. I was going through my gallery, and I could realize that how much that there is a story behind every picture. So there are brief moments of being like funny times which I remember. Suppose the 3 or the 2 day fests that we have. I remember myself that we had my whole group, group. We had danced for like 3 hours, like continuously. And I remember then I went back to my room. I just to notice that my heel had got broken. So that was a funny one. Like, it's not a funny one, but I had fun. And
So you were
also
so you were
hostel
dancing with a broken heel.
and I didn't know that.
Wow.
Because we were so much having fun with all our
Yeah.
group. There were so many people, and then and one thing, hostel life is the best, guys. Like if
Okay.
anybody is hesitant to live a hostel life, don't be, because this is one thing that I think everybody should get to experience because it's so great. So because I myself experienced hostel life, and I'm so happy for that, because there were times when I used to wake up late at night. We used to watch horror movies. One of the best times I've ever had with my roommates. And then yeah, we used to have lots of fun. We used to order food, and we used to sip and gossip. So yeah, so not a
Fun.
particular fun story, but
Yeah.
a bunch of funny
A lot of
moments.
stories, basically.
A
Yeah.
lot of stories actually.
So
Short
Rishikesh Bhaiya,
stories.
a lot of short stories.
Uh, yeah, so what as Sana said, I don't have as such a the story, fun story. This is something I've my life, whole college life has been fun. There is nothing that too much serious. There is not nothing like that.
Been one hell of a roller coaster.
Yeah. So fun. So if for me, say from second year, so mostly my time has been in CITB and the placement cell. So there only taking for Sana's whatever happened was once during the internship fair. So the day the internship fair was to take place, so in the morning the faculty coordinator, she came and she said ki there are 2 rooms. So there were 4 rooms in the
Correct.
first floor that
Yeah.
there were 4 rooms in the first floor that we are already been allocated for the fair.
This story does not
But
end up good for me.
yeah, but it was fun. It was funny for me. So it was like it was allocated for us, and so next day when we came, so the faculty coordinator, she said that you are not getting that room. So and Sana was the head of operations. She was looking after operations, and she was so panicked. She was like she almost had
I
reached the stage.
remember.
She was like,
I remember.
because she almost had reached the stage. She was like, either she will cry or she will do something. She was at that stage. She was literally at that stage. Then we both went downstairs. We checked. Then ma'am got to know that the 2 rooms on the ground floor that was not available for us, but the
Yeah.
rooms in the first floor that is available for us. So I was literally laughing after that incident, because she was in such a because Sana was such it was in such a stage. She was like, either she would have done something to or she should have done something, or she was so angry.
So,
I
मतलब you
remember.
made a mockery out of my anger, huh?
No, but the
Understood.
situation you're in.
Nice.
No,
That's
but these panic situations do occur. और वो उसी टाइम पे होती है जब it is very crucial to have these
Because
things. तभी ऐसा
yeah,
होता है
also
कि कोई आ जाता है
yeah, and also because we were prepared the day before yesterday. We were all prepared. We knew that we were getting these rooms, and we were all ready for that. But the next day, when you have done all the planning, and next day someone comes and tells you that you're not getting the room, you have all the planning that goes into this, all
Yeah.
the hard work that goes into this. that how she reacted and kept to herself. That's the big thing.
But I managed, okay? In my
Yeah,
defense, I want to say I managed.
that's what I'm
और
saying. That's what I'm saying. She managed
और
because
सबसे बड़ी बात ये थी कि उस रूम में we had the the biggest companies.
yeah,
मतलब
we
कि
had the biggest companies, and to be fair, if I was in the place, I would have shouted at someone because I
same.
could, because I was at such a state, because she had put in all her hard work the day before yesterday, and when someone comes the next day and says to you such things, you're not getting those rooms, and then says that it was just a mistake. So
Now I
that was
want now I want companies to see this podcast and then just hire me for the event
yeah.
management things, please, just
Okay,
like
so
that.
now that brings me to the next question. So both of you have different future plans. Sana Didi sat for the placement. She has an offer, and she's looking for for jobs. While Rishikesh Bhaiya, you are preparing for CAT and you want to do an MBA. So I would just like you guys to throw some light on that कि how was your experience? For example, सना दीदी placements में आप बैठे थे interviews देते what was your experience? और थोड़ा future में like what do you बहुत गंदा question है but where do you see yourself in 5 years?
now I
Please,
feel
मेरा
now I
interview
feel
मत
now
लो.
I feel like I'm sitting in an interview. That's like a proper interview question.
What's the
That's like a
plan for
proper
5 years?
interview question.
I don't know.
और ऋषिकेश भैया आप you should like you just tell about your like how are you preparing for it? कैसे आपका अभी तक करा है and what are you again seeing
Like
yourself
like
ahead?
you should ask me where I should be in the next 3 years, because 1 year this for preparation and 2 years for MBA.
एक
So
साल तो
where
कोरोना
I
में गया.
should be, yeah.
मतलब ना he's adamant कि उसे मिल जाएगी. He's confident कि
Uh,
उसे सीट मिल जाएगी. ठीक है, उसका करियर सेट है, उसकी एमबीए हो जाएगी. मैं कहाँ जाऊँ?
so yeah, I'm planning for MBA. So basically, this thought would not, like I planned for MBA because I one day I sat down. So in the second year I sat down with my dad, and like I told him कि I wanted to do job after completing my graduation. So that's when he said कि if you go to do job after completing just after completing your graduation. So first of all is that the problem is that when you start doing job, so first of all there is work pressure and all. So if you think that you will do jobs for say 1 or 2 years, and then you will go and pursue MBA, so it is little difficult. It's not that it's not you can't do that or it's impossible. It is little difficult because first of all you need to you know do your work. You have a lot of pressure from that, and to prepare religiously for exam like CAT, which is the toughest. To prepare for such an exam, it is little tough. And so so that's when he suggested that complete your graduation, and how he said was complete your graduation, then go to do MBA. But that's and after then I started taking coaching for CAT, and that's when I thought that while doing my graduation, it is little difficult to do my graduation and at the same time prepare for CAT. So that's when I decided that I will drop a year after my graduation, and then the coming November I'll appear for my CAT exams. So that's how I came to doing CAT. And the next is because once you're doing MBA, you get good. So basically, before you go into the corporate world, so you get a good exposure, and you do all the things that are necessary. So you prepare yourself. You go into a specialization that you want to. And some say that getting prior experience before doing MBA. So both has a valid point. Going to do MBA, going to doing a job before you go for MBA, and doing MBA and then going for a job. So both has its valid points. But I am on this path now. So let's see how this goes.
Yeah.
Okay, all the best. Or
Yeah,
Sana
exactly.
Didi,
See, according to me, this is a very subjective topic. Like, सबका mindset अलग होता है. Everybody has their own way of doing things. So I sat for placements because first of all, as of my experience in the placement, sitting in the placements, It was very frightening, very frightening. Like they had, it was the kind, like, how you have a sinking feeling in your stomach, but at the same time you have to do this because you have no other option. It was that kind of a feeling. So very frightening, but all went good, and luckily, fortunately, I got lucky. So
So
and I, wa-
so what happened with her interview was that she sat and
I
she was 100%, she was 100% that she wouldn't get that job. She was like, I'm not going to the next round, and she was completely, and she went to canteen to have some coffee. Then the person who did the interview came out. He said that Sanay Sharma, she is all selected for the next round.
I had no idea
That
about it. At first, I got rejected. Then after 10 minutes, I'm getting a call that, okay, you can sit for the next round. So I was like, okay.
okay.
So it went like that. That
Yeah.
was also a roller coaster ride for me. So, and I wanted to sit for the placements because I think it'll help me gain perspective on theories. Like all the things that we read, that we study in our college, it'll help me gain perspective on that. Also, I can get an exposure on practicality and also the field work, like how it's done, an opportunity to meet new people, as you stated earlier that your network is your net worth. So I
Network. Yeah.
wanted to know a lot of people also, and also it gives me an opportunity to know things how they're done exactly, especially in the corporate world. So like I have 3 points for this: perspective, exposure, and opportunity. But again, I would say that it's a very subjective topic. Everybody has their own, priorities, and I would like to say things of ways of doing things.
Yeah.
So whatever
Yeah.
seems right to an individual, that is right. Either if they go for placements, or they take a gap year and then they go for placements, it's all right. हम
Yeah.
ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते हैं कि नहीं, तुम अगर प्लेसमेंट अगर तुम पहले नहीं करोगे तो you won't get practicality, you won't have the right exposure. We cannot say it like
Yeah.
that because it's different for everybody.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
Yeah. So I think the next question is, what is one thing that you guys miss the most about college, from your college life?
I'm gonna miss a lot of things. I'm gonna miss a lot of people. I'm gonna miss CITP. I'm gonna miss my mentor, like Miss Sunita Dwivedi. Like she's been the best teacher I've
Yeah.
ever had. She's been mentor in CITP also. And also one the biggest thing, I'm gonna miss bunking my classes for my morning sleep.
Of course.
Just can't attend the 9 a.m. classes. Just can't.
So I've noticed this, that this is something, this is the hostel thing. I've seen this
I
happening a lot.
I literally texted her one day ki like, you are staying in college, so you have just 5 steps to walk. Take the elevator and come to college. So why aren't you coming on time?
yes, can't
I
do it.
asked I asked her
क्योंकि
one day.
हमारे साथ ये होता है कि हम लोग एक तो दूर दूर खैर मैं इतना दूर से नहीं आता, बट स्टिल
हाँ.
लाइक आई हैव टू मैं फिर क्लास से घुसने नहीं दिया जाता, मुझे बाहर घूमना पड़ता है. एंड यू हैव द एडवांटेज दैट यू आर लिविंग इन द कॉलेज, बट
हाँ,
लाइक स्टिल
exactly.
still
So
still I have
that's what I'm
seen.
gonna miss about. I'm gonna miss my hostel life.
You see,
Okay, so
Yeah.
elaborate a little bit about your hostel life.
for the hostel guys, the problem is that they get up for 9 a.m. class. They get up at 8:50. That's the difference. They get up at 8:50.
Yeah.
Still, I don't attend the 9 a.m. classes,
Yeah.
guys. Just think. So my hostel life isn't great. Like उसमें कुछ ups and downs हैं, उसमें ups ही ups हैं, because I made very good friends. I made great friends there, and I had a lot of fun experiences. कि जैसे I stated earlier, कि we used to like, what we do is कि we order food, then we watch something. Like अगर किसी का भी mood off है किसी हमारे group में, तो we do things to cheer that person up. ठीक है, as much as we can, and we watch horror stuff a lot because Adrenaline rush. It's a lot of fun. And then the best part about the hostel is कि it's just like 20, 10 steps away from the college. So that's a
Yeah.
plus point. कि अगर
Yeah.
कोई class है, there's a pause in between, then we can go to the hostel and we sleep.
Yeah. Sleep. That's
Yeah.
that's a very important thing. Sleep.
Very important.
ऐसा हम लोग स्कूल में क्लिनिक में जाके करते थे.
Yeah. Yeah.
Medical room में जाके सो जाओ. Yeah.
हाँ.
नहीं, but actually hostel life बहुत मजा आता है,
So
बहुत.
that was in classes which were like total boring,
Yeah.
and mostly in maths classes or history classes. That was like no
हमारे
other way.
college में
Just
स्कूल की बात हो रही है.
अब हम लोग स्कूल लाइफ में ट्रांजिशन हो रहे हैं. ओके, तो भैया आपका व्हाट्स लाइक आपका क्या टेक है?
What do you
as
miss? Who do you miss after college?
Like what?
see, after college, the most probably I'll miss all my friends because I had such a good group of friends, and it was a great time, and also mostly CITP. So that was my adda
Yeah.
for the last 2 years. That was my adda, and so yeah, going, attending, calling companies, meetings and all, placement drives. So yeah, that is the most, that was पहले पहले it was like कि यार तो बहुत ज्यादा काम है, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा काम, but over time, second year, third year, it was, very enjoy. You literally started enjoying it. So yeah, that will the most I'll be missing. And then my friends, some good friends that I have.
Yeah. Last में आते हाँ friends भी कर लेंगे उन्हें भी miss.
काम इम्पोर्टेंट है और फ्रेंड्स भी हाँ अच्छा है.
But I would say जितने भी लोग CITP के साथ में जुड़े हुए थे, this is going to be like something जो सब लोग मिस करेंगे जब भी कोई कॉलेज से
I
निकलेगा.
think
This is
it
going to
was
be
it
बहुत.
was like a family, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. In fact, जितना भी मैं पहले पूछ चुका हूँ प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर, मुझे एक याद आ गया कि एक फन स्टोरी मैं शेयर करता हूँ
Sure.
CITP से रिलेटेड. तो मैं इमानुअल भैया के साथ में एक जगह पे गया था टू पिच सम कंपनीज.
Okay.
So इमानुअल भैया को मैंने बुलाया था, but okay, he was a little bit shy. तो वानी भाई, it's all right. He will be seeing this podcast for sure anyway. So
Yeah,
वो याद.
and also if you want to crack as to how to get selected in every interview, you just call Emmanuel.
Yeah,
How
yeah.
to crack every interview.
उनकी I'll try calling him again और फिर उनसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे स्पेसिफिकली जस्ट. सो हुआ ये, हम लोग मेट्रो स्टेशन से उतरे और भैया ने जीपीएस में डाला कि हाउ टू गेट देयर. आई थिंक मेरे पास अभी वो पिक्चर्स नहीं है, लेकिन हम लोग एक गांव के अंदर से होते हुए एक खाली मैदान जहां पर कुछ भी नहीं था, वहां से होते हुए धूल में दो लोग कोट और हाथ में वो पकड़ के जा रहे हैं और आसपास के लोग हमें देख रहे हैं, साइड में गाय बैठी हुई है और हम उनके बीच में से निकल के जा रहे हैं टुवर्ड्स द प्लेस जहां पे हम लोगों को पिच करना.
जाना था हाँ.
तो ये वाली स्टोरी मैं कभी नहीं भूल पाऊंगा लिटरली.
That's just Emmanuel for you.
Okay, so one more thing. This is just a random thing I had in my mind. Is there any message that you want to basically give to people who were a part of your journey? Like in 3 सालों में जो भी they were part of your journey, उनको कोई message आप specifically देना चाहो तो?
Rishikesh, go first.
नहीं 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 मैंने कुछ सोचा है. तुम लोगों ने बैठ के लिखा है, पहले तुम बोलो, मैंने कुछ सोचा है.
Okay.
So, okay, so my message to them would be like, I had so much fun. I had so many fun moments with you all, and I'd miss those moments. I'd miss them a lot. But ups and downs were there, but it's all good now. And I'd like to wish them all the best for their lives and all the happiness and the health in the world. So, whatever life may bring for them, I would wish them that they stay happy and they stay strong. So, yeah.
That's a great message.
Yeah.
My answer is
Rishikesh.
also my answer is also the same. No difference. No difference.
नहीं लेकिन seriously, like कुछ तो message होगा.
कुछ तो मैसेज देना चाहोगे तुम यार?
See, for all those who have been my, अरे बोलने तो दो यार. So for all those who have been my friends and who have been supportive enough for me in these past 2 years, so that's a big salute to them, a big thank you to them for being there whenever needed, being supportive, and being there during the hard times. And I wish them all the best for their future endeavors, and stay in touch.
All right.
Yeah.
So, guys, I think that is it. That is it for this episode. I think we had fun. बहुत मजा आया, and this was also a very informative thing
Same.
for all the guys, all the girls that are अभी college में आने वाले हैं. You have already given them an insight. सबको बता चुके हो.
I hope
और
so.
और आगे like we would love to call you again on a podcast.
Sure, guys.
Sure.
Yeah. So,
दिव्यत आप
बस
कुछ
अब
कहना
sticky
चाहोगे?
notes बना के रखना ना
दिव्यत आप कुछ कहना चाहोगे?
दिव्यत आप कुछ कहो, आपने कुछ कहा ही नहीं, आप बताओ।
नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं भी स्टिकी नोट्स लगा के रखूंगा फिर डेस्कटॉप पे